right, so now that you've reread the story, The Dog Newspaper, today we're going to talk about main idea and details. So I've already given you the main ideas. What I need you to do now is go back into the story and look for any supporting details that you can find. So if we look at the first main idea, it is important to remember your audience when creating something for others to enjoy. So if you're presenting to 3-year-olds versus 30-year-olds, that would be quite different, right? So it depends on who are you writing for. Just like your opinion writing, you wrote, the audience was Mrs. Depot, you were writing to me. When you were writing your elf papers, you were writing to Santa, so the audience was much different. So what are some examples in the story that, that prove that? So you will fill out those 4 supporting details, 2 about this idea, and these other 2 about the fact that BJ easily adapted to life with the soldiers. Okay, so you'll come up with 2 supporting details that shows that. For your text questions, please make sure that if the question is circled in green, that you use the race strategy. Remember, the race strategy is restate and answer the question, that's the R and the A. C, cite text evidence, such as on page 213, it says blah, 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 blah. And then support your thinking with explaining your answer, that's the E, with words or phrases like this explains, this tells me, this shows me, things like that. So if you see a green circle, you need to write using the race strategy. For ones that do not have a green circle, you need to use complete sentences for your answers. So on slides 8 and 9, I should see complete sentences for all 8 problems. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know.